guys are about to watch me press up these headbands right after the intro. How you guys doing again? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And today, I'm pressing up some headbands because my saying is, if you bring it, I will press it. You know, it's supposed to be like, if you build it, they will come. If you bring it, I'll press it. But today, I got like 23 headbands that I'll be pressing up and making them look like this, but I'm going to show you how I do that step by step. So right now, we're about to jump into the computer and get to work. Okay, so all I did was tile up the logo a bunch of times in silhouette to get it cutting. Now I'm about to prep up these headbands. And if someone supplies their own garments, make sure you charge $1 or 50 cents, especially if you got to remove them from packaging, take off stickers, because it eats up your time. And that also can help you, just in case you mess up one or something like that, you need to replace something, you got some funds for it. All right, so now that everything's cut, it's time to pull out our T-shirt side hustle weeder and get weeding. Okay, so we're all done here, ready to go, all right? And I have them all cut out, all ready to go. So we're gonna get the white prints done, and it's 12 of these. Okay, so if you watched during the very first video, I actually prepped up these pieces, and I'm just gonna do a bunch of them at once. So I just laid them out on the press, and they actually already have center lines. So all I need to do is figure out where the center of this design is. Okay, so I'm going to fold it in half just to see on one of them where it lies at. And that center line lies right down the middle of the S, if you can see right there. So I'm going to place this over the center line here, like so. And that one's ready to go. So I'm just going to do that repeatedly and get them all ready to go. Just making sure it's still in the press area. Boom. Okay. This was a little wrinkled, so I'm going to actually give it a light press because it's a little wrinkled. All right, and I just want to make sure that I'm able to All right, so we got all 5 of these lined up and ready to go. And I'm just going to press them up. Need to loosen it just a hair. There we go. All right, loosen it up a little bit. Press it for 12 seconds. And we'll be, actually we're going to go to 15, so I'm going to count an extra 3 seconds. Bow. Hot peel. So we got our headband ready to rock. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys, a little warm, but I'm gonna show you guys it. Bow. Done deal. Looks good. Ready to rock. So now I'm just gonna line the rest of them up, get them pressed up, and that'll be it. I'll be back to show you guys the finished job as a whole. And, you know, just to talk a little bit more and tell you about this job. Okay, so I'm about to move over to the ones that get black. However, these do not have a center line, so I need to give them a center line or I can just line them up on here straight and then figure out where the center is. I'm gonna show you guys both ways, so I'm gonna freestyle it the way I do, but I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make a center line on this bad boy. These were actually folded into threes, so there was no center line. So all I'm gonna do is fold it in half, and I'm gonna press it. So there's a crease already right here. If you guys can see the crease, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a crease already from where it was folded into threes. So all I'm gonna do is press it down. What I would do, I would just fold them all up and press them all at once. That way you don't have to worry about doing them multiple times. So now that I pressed it up, I unfold it, and now you can see that crease right there, and that is now my center line. So I'm just gonna line that up on here. All right, and I'm gonna line a bunch of them up. Even with that one. And then I would just use that as my point for the centers. All right, so I actually got the count wrong, and I got to cut 3 more white ones so that I can finish these bad boys up. So let's get to it. Okay, so you guys just watched me print these bad boys up from start to finish, and let's just talk about some of the details. There's 23 of them. I used 2 sheets of vinyl, 1 sheet of black, or really a half a sheet of black for 8 of them, and a full sheet to do the white ones, which is about 13 or so, because there were 3 black ones. I had my count off a little bit, and basically I would just charge her $3 a piece. So it's a quick 60 bucks. It probably took me about 25 minutes in total to do everything from start to finish. Press it up, cut it, weed it, all of that good stuff. All of that good stuff. Sorry, I got the hiccups. All right, but a quick 60 bucks, and it's basically, let's say $2 worth of vinyl that I used on these bad boys. Nonetheless, job well done. She's gonna love them. I already texted her a picture, so she'll have her headbands ready to go. She can go sell these bad boys for however much she wants to sell them for after she pays me my money. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. If you got any comments, put them in the comments below. Hit that like button for your boy, because I'm working very, very hard to keep this content coming, and I do stuff like this all the time. This has been your boy Stan Banks with T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.